NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, the voice of the National Weather Service, on station KIH 28 from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.475 MHz, with the power of 1,000 watts. This programming originates from the National Weather Service forecast on Mount Holly, New Jersey, and it's broadcast through an antenna located on the PSFS building in Center City, Philadelphia. This station provides 7-day generalized public forecasts for Philadelphia and the Delaware Valley, as well as hourly weather observations for the region, continuously 24 hours a day, marine forecasts for the coastal waters off the New Jersey and Delaware coast, and also the Delaware Bay of broadcast generally in 15 and 45 minutes each hour. Climate reports play at the top and bottom of each hour in the morning and evening. Some local river stages and forecasts are broadcast between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. each day. Specific area message encoding or same tones will be sent through for short fused affecting the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. In New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem. In Delaware: Kenton, Newcastle, and in Maryland: Cecil. Test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning alarm are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. However, if severe weather is possible during the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. If you wish to contact the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, you can call between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. 7 days a week at 609-261-6615 and choose option 2. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
The current time.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, north central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:30 p.m., Doppler radar has indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing penny-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located over Willow Grove, or 10 miles north of Philadelphia, and moving south at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Bensalem, Mount Laurel, Lansdale, Belmer, Woodbury, Doylestown, Riverside, Palmyra, Hatboro, Ambler, Jenkintown, Westville, Chalfont, National Park, Beverly, and Rockledge. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. If you have any plans to trick or treating, it is most important to cancel these plans since severe thunderstorms can cause considerable tree damage and hail damage to roof, siding, and trees. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following counties: for New Jersey, Camden, Gloucester, and for Pennsylvania: Montgomery, Bucks, Philadelphia. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, north central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Bucks County in south
The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for Bucks, PA, Montgomery, PA, Philadelphia, PA beginning at 9:50 p.m. and ending at 10:35 p.m. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. An unusual situation is taking place in Montgomery, Bucks, and Philadelphia counties. As of 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, red showers, also known as raining blood, have been reported to authorities. The unusual event is similar to the incident in 2001 in Kerala. There was also a report that there was an orange tint in the clouds in the sky. New Jersey counties affected by this storm are also experiencing this event. Another report states that residents saw an unknown entity with an orange parka and as long hands that almost resemble tendrils. This entity is not confirmed to be hostile yet. EAS said the thunderstorm warning is still in effect for the warned areas. Residents should still stay inside their homes until the storm passes. Residents should not be in contact with the entity as it may become hostile. Residents should also stay tuned to local media, television outlets, radio, or CB radio, for further updates on this situation. Repeating, an unusual situation is taking place in Montgomery, Bucks, and Philadelphia counties.
Trick or treat! Trick or treat!
The following message has been transmitted at the request of police departments in the warned area, including emergency management. This is not a test. A shelter-in-place order has been declared for the warned areas, including Camden, Gloucester, Burlington, Montgomery, Bucks, and Philadelphia. This is an update to the civil emergency message issued at 10 p.m. As of 10:07 p.m., many reports have come to the police saying that people in the rain have turned insane and then started to attack people. The persons that were affected by the rain also chanted out, "Tester is our God," or "Long live Tester." Tester may be the name of the unknown entity mentioned in the previous alert. Furthermore, Tester may have caused the raining blood showers. A blue alert has been issued for Tester due to this event. Numerous child abductions have also been reported to police services. Emergency management and police services are stopping Tester and the people who turned insane by the blood showers. Residents are asked to shelter in place immediately. Gather supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a hand crank or battery-powered radio. Turn off all lights, including electronics, and lock all windows and doors. Stay tuned to local media outlets, internet sources, or radio for further information. Repeating, shelter in place immediately.